Yes guys, Blue Badger here and welcome back to another action-packed Airsoft gameplay video. Today we are playing at the one and only Z-mart CQB in Newbury, and in this video you'll be seeing some of my most intense Airsoft footage that I've captured so far. Be sure to stick around to the end of this video to see some epic moments, funny clips, and even a 1 vs 1 showdown against my own brother. Starting things off, we're going to go straight into a game of team deathmatch.
Yeah, just keep winding, keep winding. Go, 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 go! Run! I'm going to be running.
Well, that wasn't a great start, but we got a trade kill, and you'll notice throughout this game I'll be pushing mostly to this left flank.
Nice one.
Another trade kill, and we hit him right on the tip of the knob. Now we're going to go straight back there and we take out a whole bunch of enemies.
Watch that way. Watch that way. Nice. Hey, dead one. That's alright, mate. That's right. Dead one. Oh, I'm not walking through that.
That was a much better run. Now let's get straight back there and take out some more enemies.
One here. There's one there, there's one directly there. Nice. Hey, hey, hey! Dead man stepping out! Game over!
That was good, well done guys.
Nice mate.
That was lovely. Really good corner defence. Was it you guys hold up in there at the game as well?
Yeah, yeah.
I got some
I'll
shots
try.
down my side, man.
Oh, same mate. I got one, I don't know if it was you, I got one like right in my face here.
Oh, sorry, bud.
Well, that was a really fun game with a great show of sportsmanship at the end, which we love to see. And that brings us smoothly into this next clip, which is basically everyone who turned up today coming together, having a good laugh and a bit of fun.
even see that. Hey!
Well, I've got to say, I have never played Connect 4 at an Airsoft game before, but that was a really good laugh. Anyways guys, let's get on to the next game mode. In this one, we have to collect the objectives and bring them back to spawn. And do be warned, this is where you will see some of the most intense action from the day.
Go, go, go. Have we? Oh, nearly got all of them already. Hold on, hold on. They're just completely suppressing me. No, no, no. Fuck, I was on safety. Gun hit! Hey, you have to drop the... Yeah, there's a couple. That was a good one.
I'm going to be going straight back to that spot because you can basically control the game from there. You'll see in a second just how many eliminations I get just by controlling that position.
They got one.
Quick, 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 go, go, go! Hey, man! I'm gonna do. Down. Nice! Hey! Ow! Fuck! Completely pinned down here.
For the final part of this video, we're going to be doing a 1v1 Speedsoft style against my brother, and the marshals also do end up joining in, so this was really fun. My first time having a taste of Speedsoft. Obviously we haven't got Speedsoft guns, but still, it was great fun. Also, if you have enjoyed this video so far, please think about dropping a sub.
Oh, safety. Oh.
That's one win for me. Now it's time to go against the marshal.
Oh, can we pause for a sec? Hold on. Mags, my fucking holster's broke or something. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna leave my gun here for a sec.
Well, that was a bit of a fail, but do keep in mind where I put my pistol, because something really funny happens in a minute.
Whoa.
There's another win. Now it's time to face off against one of the other marshals. That's my first loss. Now my brother's playing the winner.
Go! Go! Get him!
It's still victory.
Knife him! Oh, that's my fucking pistol. Yeah. My pistol fucking...
I just saw it. I was like...
Yeah, my fucking holster fell off and I just stuck out of there, lucky.
Well, that was lucky. I don't think anyone's ever seen a battlefield pickup during a Speedsoft game. Well, I haven't anyway. Anyways, we're doing 2 more games and it's me against my brother.
Yeah. One more quick. Let's go.
A nice little trade there, and on to the last one.
Ready? Ready? Nice.
So that brings an end to my absolutely brilliant day at Z-mart CQB. If you've made it this far to the video, thank you very much, and please consider dropping a sub or a like or a comment. Anything helps. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by April, and I believe that goal is possible. Really hope you've enjoyed this one, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.
Is it game over?
Whoa, where do you always come from?
Is it game over?
I've been for a piss, yeah.
It's game over.
Where are you hiding?
Down there.
Oh, fuck me, boys. Everyone thought everyone was dead and we went.
Oh.